Christmas, everyone. Welcome to My Natural Hair Delights, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. My name is Brittany Shine, and today I'm showing you natural hairstyle number 20. This hairstyle is perfect for holidays and for special occasions. If you want to rock it on your birthday or just any other type of special event, on your wedding anniversary or whatever the case, this hairstyle is perfect for that, okay? If you purchase the book, I Want My Hair Back, whether it be the ebook or the paperback book, you can have unlimited access to hair courses. So you only have to make a one-time payment of $20 for the ebook and audiobook, or $30 for paperback, ebook, and audio of I Want My Hair Back. A full tutorial of how to do this particular hairstyle at my website at mynaturalhairdelights.com under unlimited hair courses. So if you click on the unlimited hair courses, you will have full access to this hairstyle, okay? I'm going to show you this particular hairstyle front and back. So this is what the front looks like. This is the side. This is the other side. And I'm just gonna do a quick spin, so. Okay, so this is natural hairstyle number 20, in which I call it the braided scalp twist updo, and it took me 4 hours to complete, so it is time consuming. If you have not already detangled your hair, then this will take a little bit more time to do, simply because you're parting each section at a time, and so you're like, depending on how many braids you want on your scalp, you can do small braids or you can do bigger braids to your scalp, depending on how you want to do it. I did mention in my last video that if you're not used to like doing your own hair, then I would recommend your natural hair beautician to do this particular hairstyle if you want like a more fancy hairstyle for a special occasion. However, if you want to be adventurous and you want to go all in and you want to do your own hair, then I would recommend to check out the full course available at my website at mynaturalhairdelight.com, and you can have full access to this tutorial of how to do this particular hairstyle from start to finish, okay? One thing that I want to show you all as well is my natural hairspray. I just started making some hairsprays again. I do have a couple of tutorials of how to make hairspray. However, it was like my first time making hairspray, so to me it's a very old tutorial. However, a lot of people do like those tutorials. So if you want to get your feet wet and learn how to make hairsprays, you can check out my tutorials there. So this is my very own Rosemary Delight hair growth spray, okay? It's also a spritz replacement. This is something that you can use on your hair when you have a hairstyle like this. If you have braids, if you have twists, if you have any type of updo or any type of hairstyle that is gonna require more than just you greasing your scalp, then you would want a hairspray, okay? Hairspray is so important, but you want the right type of hairspray because not all hairsprays are made equal, okay? So I will always check the back of your hair products to make sure that each ingredient in your product is healthy for your hair and your skin, okay? So I didn't think it was possible for me to make like an all-natural hairspray that blends well together with the oils and the liquids. However, I have found a key ingredient that stabilizes those ingredients together, and I will show you all a tutorial of that in the near future. So So stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to the newsletter, please subscribe to the newsletter for updates on upcoming hair products such as the hair growth shampoo that's coming, the coconut oil, and eventually I'm gonna have the hairspray on the market as well, okay? So I'm just taking it one step at a time, but I will have these available for you all because I believe it's so important that you receive the best natural ingredients for your hair, okay? Because it's going to make a huge difference in how you treat your hair and how you love your hair and how you see your hair, okay? So your hair deserves the best natural ingredients, and that's why I'm making all of the healthy replacements or healthy alternatives, should I say, for your hair, okay? And for my hair as well. So this is my very own Rosemary Delight Hair Growth Spray, okay? It's also a spritz replacement. So I'm gonna use this on my hair, and I have my hand mirror here, so I'm gonna make sure that I spray in the right direction. I'm not just spraying randomly. So I'm going to simply spray and pat down, okay? This has aloe vera and rosemary in it, along with other natural ingredients. And so right now I'm spraying my hair and patting it down. Now I am still perfecting this particular hairspray. I believe I added a little bit too much of my stabilizer to this hairspray, so I will limit the amount that I add to the hairspray so that it can be the right formula, okay? So now I'm just going to spray the back as well. So just showing you what the back looks like. Okay. After I have sprayed my hair, I'm going to simply wrap it up, okay? So it is late at night and I'm ready to shut it down. So I will be wrapping my hair up with a satin wrap, okay? I always say silk or satin wrap, satin wrap. So just make sure that you wrap your hair with a silk or satin wrap, because you don't want your hair to get all tangled or dry or frizzy simply because you didn't wrap your hair up at night, okay? It's so important to wrap your hair. And if you have a silk or satin pillowcase, that will work as well. However, I would use extra protection by using a wrap with silk or satin wrap or silk or satin scarf, hair scarf, to wrap around your hair, and you'll have beauty sleep, okay? Your sleep will be sweet and it will be beautiful, okay? So, yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. So I'm gonna wrap my hair up, and oh, I'm sorry, let me show you back. Okay, and then I'm ready to shut it down, okay? So thank you all for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delights. And I will talk to you all again soon. Bye-bye.